heavy.
Oh my God, look at that thing going. That is a whopper.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. Biggest walleye ever.
Well, now we're going to get the pictures. Look at the size of that son of a bitch.
Whoa.
That's the biggest one I've seen.
Oh. We better turn it back loose.
Oh my God. Yeah, you can't keep this size.
Are you filming it?
No.
No, you can't keep these things. They'd way too
Wow.
You can embarrass both of us.
Oh.
Look at this side. Here, let her go.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Well, you got to.
No.
You got to hook your finger in there.
No, you can just put it by my face.
Put it by my face. Oh!
I genuinely do not. Oh, okay, I can do that.
Oh!
God dang.
Let him out.
Let him out. I want to get a good hook so that she don't lose them. There you go.
Whoa.
Take a hold of that.
Whoa. Don't drag him on me.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, that is a beauty.
Well, it's something there. What do you got to say about that?
Suck it, Katie.
You can keep your old cake in Alaska.
Wow, that's...
His eyes are the same size as mine.
That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah. Don't get don't reel up anymore. Don't reel up anymore.
Yeah.
Come on, you're supposed to continue enjoying yourself now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Whoop! Oh, my sandwich
What happened?
got splashed.
Oh. Thought it hit the floor.
So did I.
No.
Must have got mud on it. There's nothing wrong with that sandwich.